Ever stare at your bank statement, completely baffled by a mysterious recurring charge? We've all been there. Subscription services are fantastic for convenience, but keeping track of them all can be a nightmare. Suddenly, that monthly yoga app you signed up for just to try a year ago is silently draining your funds. Frustrating, right? Well, what if there was an app that could not only identify all your subscriptions, but also help you manage and even cancel them effortlessly? That's where Rocket Money comes in. But the big question remains, how exactly does Rocket Money know about all those subscriptions lurking in your bank account? Buckle up, because this isn't magic, it's clever financial technology. Here's the secret sauce: secure connections. When you connect your bank accounts to Rocket Money, you are essentially granting them permission to securely access your transaction history. This allows Rocket Money to see all the incoming and outgoing payments you've made. Now, they're not diving into the nitty-gritty details of every purchase, think grocery store runs or that late-night pizza order, but they are looking for specific patterns. Think of it like deciphering a secret code. Rocket Money's algorithms are trained to identify recurring payments with specific characteristics. These characteristics might include frequency. Subscriptions typically involve consistent, predictable charges. Monthly fees? Weekly deliveries? Rocket Money can spot these patterns. Merchant category codes, MCCs. These are industry-specific codes assigned to merchants by payment processors. For example, a gym membership might have a different MCC than a streaming service, but both would likely fall under a broader category like subscriptions. Rocket Money can leverage these codes to identify potential subscriptions. Keywords. Sometimes, transaction descriptions themselves give away clues. Netflix or Spotify Premium in the description. Big red subscription flag for Rocket Money. By analyzing these factors in your transaction history, Rocket Money builds a comprehensive picture of your recurring charges. It then categorizes them as subscriptions, presenting you with a clear and organized list. This way, you can finally see exactly where your hard-earned money is going. But wait, there's more. The beauty of Rocket Money is that it doesn't just stop at identification. Once you see a subscription you no longer need or use, you can take action right there in the app. With a simple tap, you can initiate the cancellation process. No more hunting down obscure contact information or navigating complicated company websites. Rocket Money streamlines the entire process, saving you time and frustration. Of course, security is always a top concern. Rocket Money utilizes robust encryption protocols to safeguard your bank login credentials and transaction data. They also implement multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. So, you can rest assured that your financial information is in safe hands. In conclusion, Rocket Money's ability to identify your subscriptions hinges on secure connections, clever pattern recognition, and leveraging industry-specific data. It's a powerful combination that empowers you to take control of your finances and eliminate those pesky subscription drains. So, if you're tired of hidden fees and forgotten subscriptions silently chipping away at your budget, Rocket Money might be the financial superhero you've been waiting for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.